Alright guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my first time to create another vlog for this 2025. This is actually my first time to speaking in English this vlog, but usually I speak Tagalog in my previous vlogs. Without further ado, we're gonna make a very special and very Filipino food. We're gonna make fried lumpiang toge, vegetable spring rolls. Creating lumpiang toge, we must have a bunch of lumpia wrapper, and we have here onions and garlic, limes, here Thai chilies. Importantly, in creating, if you want to make effective spring roll, vegetable spring rolls, you must have a like this one, toge. So basically, this is a version of toge that you can access and inside the market, having a bunch of vegetable, including the main ingredients is the toge. Without further ado, let's do the magic. Alright guys, we are now in my kitchen. So first we must to wash our vegetables and the ingredients and the toge. This is our toge. Voila. Guys, friendly reminder, if you doing things in your kitchen, you must have a plastic, at least one plastic, because if you chop it out all the ingredients, your needs things to do to create your dish, you must have a trash can. So all the things that mess up in your kitchen, you must put here. So must maintain the cleanliness of your kitchen. Alright, onions and also our garlic, we must chop it out, and for our sauteing later, and for our sausawan. Alright guys, after a minute, we have a chopped onions and garlic. We must saute first our onions. So guys, it's hard for me to vlog at the same time. Here, after I sauteed and adding some flavors, pepper, salt, pork cubes, soy sauce, a little bit of sugar. This is after I sauteed the toge. See you later on. Alright guys, we have here our finished product of our toge that we already put a flavor we already put a flavor. Alright guys, this is the finished product of our lumpiang toge, and we're gonna try it this we're gonna fry it 5 pieces for my lunch, and this one I separated into Tupperware for for dinner later. Alright, we're gonna put this inside the ref, and we're gonna fry it this one. Alright guys, this is the finished product of our lumpiang toge, and we have here our famous sausawan with sili and our rice. Let's check it out, what this tastes like. Alright guys, this is the moment of truth. Let's try it out. Our first, very hot, right? Let's check it out. Mm. So juicy. Mm. Very crunchy. This is my favorite part when you dip it out to vinegar with a lot of chili. Because guys, I'm a huge fan of spicy food. Very crunchy.